Hi friends, are you ready to step up your texting game? Let's dive into some simple tips so you can text like a millennial. Grab your iPhone and let's get started. Okay, let's talk about group texting first. We're going to send a message to more than one person at a time. Go ahead and tap on the Messages app, then tap on the pencil icon. We're going to type in the names of the contacts we want to send it to. And then we can type our message. Instead of typing this message, I'm just going to speak it by tapping the microphone button. Hi guys, can we get together for dinner? And then you hit the send button. Group texting can get annoying if you're receiving constant pings from a lot of people responding. If you want to stay in the group but don't want to continue to get constant notifications, let's look at how to mute them. So go to the top of the screen where the names of the people are, and you can see this toggle right here for hide alerts. We're going to tap that. You'll still get responses in this window, but you won't get a notification sound for them. AutoCorrect can be a useful feature, or you can end up sending a text of gibberish. Let's talk about how to turn it on and off. Go to your Settings app. It's the gears. And then we're going to tap General. From here, we're going to scroll to Keyboard. Autocorrection is right here. You can turn it on or off, depending on what you prefer. Then click back. Let's look at how to send a photo. Open your Photos app. Tap on the picture you'd like to send. Tap on the Share button. Tap Messages. Unless you see the person's name right there, tap Messages. Type in their name. And then hit Send. You can add a message right there if you want also. Just type it in and hit Send. Now let's look at how to do it if you want to send more than one photo at a time. Go to your Photos app, tap Select, tap all the photos you want to send, tap on the Share icon, I just sent it to this contact, so I can just click their name. I'll just add a quick message. And then hit Send. So you can see all 3 photos are in there. You can also do it right from Messages. Tap on the message, open the contact, tap the plus, tap Photos, and choose the photo from there. You can do more than one. And then hit Send. Now let's go over how to delete or edit a text after you've already sent it. Let's say you sent a message and either you made a mistake or you decided you don't want to send them that message anymore. We'll start a message. Okay, when you're done composing your message, hit send. Let's say I didn't like how that sounded. I can hold down the message until this dialog box pops up and I can hit edit. Maybe I wanted to say tomorrow. So I can add that and then hit the checkbox and it's sent again. But let's say I didn't want to send that at all. Let's say I changed my mind. So hold down the message again and click on undo send. That undo send will only work for 2 minutes. So if you send a message, you have to delete it within 2 minutes. Now let's look at creating a contact from a text message. Open your Messages app. Go to the conversation with the person whose contact you want to save. Tap the phone number or icon at the top of the screen. Then tap the info button. Tap on Create New Contact. Then you can enter the name, address, or any other details you want, and then click Done. Let's also talk about creating a contact from the Contacts app. Open the Contacts app. Tap the plus at the top right of the page. Type in the new contact's name, phone number, and any other details you have. When you're all done, just click Done. Let's add a contact photo. Open the Contacts app. Scroll to the contact you want to add a photo for and tap it. Select Edit in the top right corner. Tap Add Photo. You also have the option to take their photo by choosing the camera, using an emoji or a monogram. I'm going to choose Photo. Choose your photo. Tap Done. Then Continue. Continue again. And finally tap Done. Let's also talk about blocking a text. Let's say I got a text from someone that I don't want to text with anymore. I can mute their notification, tap on the bell, or I can tap on their contact, tap on their name, tap Info, and block caller. Tap that, and they won't be able to call or text you anymore. That might be useful if you're getting a lot of spam calls from a certain number. Now let's talk about how to search for a keyword in a text message. Open the Messages app. Go to the main screen and just pull down the screen a little bit until you see the search bar. Say there's an address or a date or certain key information that I need. I'm going to type that in here in the search bar. Let's say I'm trying to remember when I said we'd have dinner. So it's bringing up every time it saw the word dinner. Just click on the one that you need and there's your information. Now let's talk about how to delay sending a text. It's a new feature with iOS 18. Let's tap on the Messages app, tap on a contact, type in your message, instead of hitting the send button, we're going to tap on the plus. We're going to tap send later. Then you can pick the time you want to send it. When you're ready and that looks good to you, you'll see the day and time. Then you hit send. You can see these look a little different than a regular text message. This is what a regular one looks like from an iPhone to an iPhone. When you're sending this and your delay sending, it'll have a dotted line around it. If you change your mind, you can change the time, or you can delete it altogether. Now here's another fun thing that's new with iOS 18. It's a text animation bar. This works when you're sending text to other people who also have iOS 18. So tap in your message bar and then tap this A for text effects. So you can see the different options you have here. So let's pick nod. So tap on that and then type out your message. And then hit send. So select the animation you want. Let's try explode this time. Type in your message and then hit send. You can see it explodes. That's a little fun to your text messages. So tap the A and just look over the other effects. You can also bold your message now. You can make it italic, underline, or strike through. Just try it out to make your text messaging more fun. You can always use your voice to send a text message. Open the Messages app, go to your contact. Let's say you have a lot that you need to say to your friend. Tap in the Messages bar, tap on the plus, go to audio, then whatever you speak will be recorded in audio. When you're done, just tap stop. That message will be sent to them in your voice. You can also start a call from a text. From the contact page, you can tap the camera at the top of the page. You'll have options for FaceTime audio or FaceTime video. Once you tap that, it will call them. You can also ask Siri to send a text message for you. Just say, "Hey Siri, send a text," and then you can tell her who to send it to and what you want to say. And when you're ready, you just say send. You take a screenshot by holding down the power button and the volume up button at the same time. One other fun tip to talk about. In text messages, open a contact. Let's say it's someone's birthday. If you type in the message bar, "Happy birthday," and then hit send, they'll get balloons. You can also say, "Congratulations," and then hit send, and they'll get confetti. Those features only work if you're sending from your iPhone to someone else who has an iPhone. So those are all the important tools you need to text like a pro. If there's anything else you'd like to learn, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who could use these tips. See you next time.